Hello, this is George Lockdown Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, authentic, official, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or imposters who copy my content and wear a cat mask. Well, first of all, the stimulus checks will be going out, the corona stimulus, no cigars included, April 6th. So you all should have, every American, every adult American will get $1,000. And you should be having that next month. They won't take any taxes out or anything. I guess it's non-taxable income, free check from the government. And CNBC said if the, and other stories I've read too, if the corona problem continues for months at a time, they will send out a second check, and they may send out a second round of checks, so people might get 4,000. Hello, Fuzzy. Fuzzy is squeaking at me. All right. FedEx is delivering because they just delivered this. And this is Burgh Unboxing. I know who sent it. I'm not going to say who. So but let's open it up. And I know what it is. And I can't see a damn thing with these sunglasses on. I'm about to go crazy here. I'm about to go cat feed and go to the post office. I've got other things waiting for me. And then I heard this bang on the door, and it's FedEx. So, okay, here's the box. And, all right, we have here, I'm going to take these things off. The sun hurts my eyes, and I've been up all night. All right, we have here, throw the box on the floor. It's always better to get the real Apple cable, or an anchor cable, but this is the cable for it. This is the off-brand charging brick, but when the Apple Store goes back online, I will see about getting the real McCoy. This is the charging brick, and this is, and it is, I knew what this was. This is obsolete. It is no longer supported, but this is an Apple iPod Air 2, and it is, well, they refurbished it. Oh, there we go. I forgot how to turn it on. It's been so long since I've turned the iPad on or anything else on for that matter. Well, unfortunately, this is not powered, but there it is. Real live iPad with a refurbished iPad with a scratch on the back. So how refurbished is that? Oh, where was that dirt? Let's see. No, it's a scratch. Okay. Anyway, and they have a well, that's the up and down switch, but there's no power to this, so we'll have to see if this works. But there it is. But let's see, maybe if I plug it in, it will turn on. Take it dinner and dancing. Hold on. Value line. Ooh, I never heard of value line. Must be serious. All right. I got a trash can now next to my table, so I can now throw things in the trash can so that I don't have all this junk on the floor and falling. And they tie wrap, they welded together here. Here comes Fuzzy. Where Fuzzy? Where? All right, Fuzzy is here talking to me. So let's see if we can plug this in. Boy, does that have a weird... What the hell? Oh, God, look at this. They got 3 different connectors here. That looks like a connector for an iPod Generation 4. Yes, Fuzzy, yes. She wants me to go back to bed. I've been asleep. But I got to go to the post office. All right, we're going to try to figure this out. What a weird way to give you a connector for this. That doesn't work. And that doesn't work. Well, oh, there we go. They got 4 connectors. No, they got 3 connectors. And you know what? This is stupid. None of these fit. Look at this. They sent a connector. If I'm reading this right, unless this is very odd. Hold on. Oh, I'm. Another thing, Apple has proprietary connectors, so my Anchor cable will work with my iPad, but nope. This does not fit. So this cable value line, more like crap line. It goes in about halfway and stops because Apple makes sure that you have to use their cable or someone authorized. So there's no way to charge this. I'll try it, but all the Apple stores are closed. I'm running out of plugs too. This was really stupid of them to do this. I'm not complaining at all, but I'm very glad to have this, but they sent me a charging cable that won't. Look at this. There's no way to charge this because it will not go into the slot. It goes halfway and stops. Absolutely idiotic. So I know that where this is bought, I'm going to tell the person to tell them to send a real charging cable because this ain't it. So I've got another dead iPad for the time being until I find a way to make it go on eBay when I have money and get a charging cable. Oh, thank you for this, but I won't know if it really works or not until I get a charging cable and probably an Apple charging brick as well. So, all right. Sorry I took so long here, but I'm happy to have it, but it's a paperweight for now. All right, and I thank the person who sent it. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. Stay safe out there. Stay warm and dry or cool and dry. And I'm off to cat feed and head to the post office in Lockdown City. Bye-bye for now.